So we're down here in Brockley in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of the Pebbledash has been removed, we'll be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. We'll do some samples for the customer, see what finish you'd like to go for. Quite a lot of restoration work to be done here as well. Taking off this old UPVC, going to be putting a nice new cornice band going all the way through, like next door as original features. Going to be customers having new windows put in, so what we're going to do is get all of that dash taken off, leave the window reveals, get his new sash windows, then we'll put nice new window reveals all around the windows for him at a later date. Doing a new bay roof here as well, so all of the Pebbledash is coming off the gable there. Put a nice new roof there, nice new step flashing, lead work as well. Decorating all of the stonework. All of this will be replaced, nice new fascia boards, guttering throughout as well. Parapet wall, take all of the render off of there, restore everything underneath there properly. Down pipes, gutters, new hopper, everything can be done here. New plinth on the base of the property as well. And then we're also looking at lime rendering the rest of the house for the customer. So it's absolutely very big house at the back and the side, so it's going to take us a long time we'll be here for a long time. So as you can see, looking at doing all of the side of the house, stripping. All customers just bought this, experiencing a lot of damp, complete refurb this. So he wants all of the render taken off, lime render everything throughout. So I'll just show you out the back as well. And then re-rendering all of the back of this, all lime rendered all the way through there. And then obviously all of the side there as well. So yeah, real big project this one. So yeah, we'll be here for a good few months. So if you've got any questions or would like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.